Solar lights for your garden. We all care how our homes appear to others, and lighting is a big part of that. Solar lights are a popular and cost-effective option for adding a little zing to your landscaping efforts. Solar lights for your garden. Many people enjoy the look of lights in their landscaping. Whether you want to light a path to your door or the area around your pool, proper lighting can heighten your nighttime enjoyment of your yard. You can choose from several options for lighting outdoors, but by far your best choice in this area are solar lights. While you can choose from other different powering options for your outdoor lights, such as electric and battery powered, a choice of solar landscaping lights will definitely be the right one. Electric powered landscaping lights may seem economical and easy at first, but then you have to realize that they will add to your home's electric bill, as well as needing many dangerous extension cables and cords in order to obtain their power. Battery-powered lights can be safer, but even more expensive, once you figure in the cost of batteries and the time and effort it takes to change them. Solar lights work by recharging during the sunlight hours and shining bright with that power at night. Solar panels are located on the lights, and these panels collect solar energy and charge a battery with that energy. The battery, in turn, powers the lights at night, eliminating the need for another power source. This is a very economical and eco-friendly way to light your yard area, and solar lights require little maintenance from you, the homeowner. You also have different options in styles of solar garden lights. Whether you would like to have a hanging solar lamp, a solar floodlight above your garage, or even a solar security light that detects motion, there are options that can meet your needs. Solar post lights can be used to line a driveway or garden path to make your yard safer for nighttime use. Solar garden lights are available in a number of different wattages and sizes, so you can choose just what you need for your project. Most solar lights use LEDs, which are tiny but emit a strong light. They also take little energy to power, so your solar-powered battery will last longer at night. Choosing solar lighting for your garden is a great way to help the environment, while you are also helping to beautify your home. These lights can add value to your property, while also making your yard more useful at night, all in the most economical way possible.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.